Hi, I'm Cody, CEO and co-founder of LlamaPress, which is a prompt-to-web page builder for WordPress. So let me show you. For example, let's go ahead and select just this top banner, and let's tell LlamaPress to please turn this into a real nav bar and fill it out 10x, make it like a real website. Nav bar. Let's send that in. Our agent's going to go ahead and think. It's going to classify the request, and then it's going to make the specific code changes it needs to and apply it to just that specific element. And then once it's done, it will refresh the page. Okay, there you go. You see that it's this. We can come up here. We can just change this to LlamaPressAI. But it can actually do much more than this. We can actually tell it to, let's recreate this page from scratch. Let's turn it into a game. So we're going to say, please recreate this page from scratch and make this game. And let's paste in our prompt. This is a thought out prompt of a 2D kind of physics game. So let's go ahead and send this in. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to think through. It's going to kind of classify the request. And when it's done, it's going to refresh the page. So here it is. It just did a really simple thing, but it kept kind of the same look and feel this side. Let's tell it to improve it by adding a paddle. Say, please add a paddle for the ball to bounce off of. That's controlled with left and right arrow keys. Let's see what that one does. Okay, let's see how this one's doing. Oh, there you go. Yeah, a little bit better. Cool, so let's go ahead now. Let's publish this to our WordPress site. So we're going to go into this page's settings. We're going to click Publish to WordPress. Let's go ahead and go into our pages here on our WordPress site, and let's refresh this. And there it is right here, demo video. Let's click View, and here it is right there. As simple as that to get a brand new page into your WordPress site. This works with any existing theme. For example, one of our clients owns a marketing agency, and he was spending hundreds of hours manually updating all of his WordPress pages with fresh content to try and keep it ranking high on the search engines. And we've taken what used to take him hours into mere minutes with LlamaPress. Let's say we wanted to update this page. Here we have a content brief that has dense keyword research content, and in LlamaPress, we're going to go ahead and upload that content. We're going to select the uploaded content. You see we have it uploaded here already. And then we're going to tell LlamaBot the page, the WordPress page that we need to update, and it's going to go find that page. And even though it was built with a different page builder, theme builder, it's going to work flawlessly. So let's say, please update the following WordPress page. Let's get the URL of the WordPress page, which is this one right here, South Florida Gutters. Let's paste that into LlamaPress and update the content with the content in the attached document. Let's go ahead and send that in. Now it's going to think through it, and then it's going to go fetch the page from WordPress, look at the existing content, and it's going to go through. And even though this was a third-party theme builder where they save their pages in completely different format than everybody else, it's a proprietary kind of format. Because it's in WordPress, because WordPress is so open source, we can actually read the source code and understand how the page is represented, and it can go through an LLM, and our agent can update all the content, even though it was built with a completely different theme builder. So before, he would spend hours on each page updating the content in a very painstaking way, and we turn this in just a couple of minutes for him. So you can see now it's actually going through and finding the old content and swapping it out with the new content that's in that document. So I'm going to go ahead and let this finish, and I'll show you the results in WordPress. Okay, it finished up. It just sent it back to WordPress. Let's go ahead and go to our WordPress page here now. So here's in Cornerstone. Let's look at it in here. And here it is. You see it updated everything from Orin to South Jordan based on the new content brief. This essentially puts our users in God mode in their existing WordPress projects. WordPress is extremely popular. It powers over 40% of all websites, and everything's open source, meaning our agent can work with any existing WordPress theme, any existing plugin, and we're super excited to launch this to the millions of WordPress users who use WordPress to run their sites and their projects.